Hello guys, today I am show you how to create a FTP server on your computer. So let's get started. Now go to Control Panel. Click Program. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Now find Internet Information Services. Check Internet Information Services. Expand Internet Information Services. Expand FTP server. Check FTP extensibility. And click OK button. Applying changes. Please wait a moment. Now click Close button. Now restart your computer.
A few moments later.
After restart your computer. Now create a folder. Right-click this folder. Click Properties. Go to Security tab and click Advanced. Click Add button. Click Select a Principal. Now type Everyone. Click Check Names and click OK. Now click Full Control and click OK. Go to Start menu and find Windows Administrative Tools. Click Internet Information Services. Click Add a FTP site. Type your FTP site name and select your FTP folder. Click Next button. Select your IP address. Click No SSL. Click Next button. Check Anonymous. Select All Users. Select your permission. And click Finish button. Now search Windows Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. Click Change Settings and find FTP Server. Check FTP Server and check Private and Public. And click OK. Now open your browser and type your IPv4 address. Well done, your FTP server is created. Thanks for watching guys. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.